Welcome to our deep dive into the Market Access Support (MAS) scheme, a transformative initiative designed to empower Indian exporters, especially small and medium enterprises. The MAS scheme is a forward-thinking approach, aiming to make global markets more accessible and affordable for Indian businesses. The substantial outlay of 4,531 crore set for 2025 to 2031, the scheme is poised to provide robust support to exporters. Today, the heart of the MAS scheme lies the empowerment of MSME, micro, small, and medium enterprises. These businesses often face significant barriers when trying to enter international markets, from high costs to limited exposure. MAS is designed to break down these barriers, offering targeted support that help MSMEs compete on a global stage. By focusing on affordability and sustainability, the scheme ensures that even the smallest exporters can dream big and reach new. One of the standout features of MAS is its commitment to predictability and market diversification. Exporters are provided with 18-year event calendar, allowing them to plan ahead and engage with confidence. This long-term approach not only helps businesses prepare better, but also encourages them to explore markets beyond traditional destinations. MAS actively promotes exports to emerging regions such as Africa, Latin America, and the CIS, opening up a world. MAS scheme is built on clear, forward-looking objectives. It aims to modernize export promotion efforts by replacing the older Market Access Initiative. This modernization is not just about updating processes, it's about better serving the evolving needs of Indian exporters. By focusing on innovation and adaptability, MAS ensures that support mechanisms remain relevant and effective in a rapidly changing global trade environment. Major highlight of the MAS scheme is its cost-sharing model. The government covers 60% of eligible costs, while industries contribute the remaining 40%. For prioritized sectors, government support increases to 80%, making it even easier for the industries to participate. This model is designed to maximize impact while ensuring that businesses have a stake in their own success. It's a balanced approach that encourages participation and responsible resource use. Travel costs can be a major hurdle for small exporters. MAS addresses this by offering partial reimbursement of international airfare for exporters with an annual turnover of 75 lakh or less. Additionally, the scheme sets clear participation limits. Each firm can attend up to 3 events per year, while MSMEs are allowed 4. These limits encourage focused participation and ensure that resources are allocated optimally for maximum benefit. Inclusivity is a core value of the MAS scheme. At least 35% of participation slots at supported events are reserved for MSMEs. This ensures that small businesses are not left behind and have ample opportunities to showcase their products and services on global platforms. By prioritizing MSME participation, MAS fosters a more diverse and competitive export ecosystem. MAS supports a wide range of activities to help exporters succeed. Participation in international trade fairs is a key component, with support for stall rental, travel, and freight costs for sample. This makes it easier for exporters to present their products to a global audience. The scheme also covers both international and reverse buyer-seller meets, creating valuable networking opportunity and direct connection with potential clients and partners. Accessing MAS resources is designed to be straightforward for exporters. Whether it's support for international trade fairs or organizing buyer-seller meets, the scheme provides essential backing every step of the way. By minimizing financial burdens and maximizing visibility, MAS helps Indian exporters establish a strong presence in global markets. With these resources, businesses can focus on growth and innovation, confident in the support they receive.